इंग्लिश अमर रहे। इंग्लिश अमर कभी न डर, इंग्लिश अमर कभी न।
You guys, what's your name?
My name is
Soothing, can you tell me something about yourself? Brief introduction, I want.
My name is Singh and my father's name is Mr. Singh. My mother's name is Mrs. Bhakti Devi. And I study in class 8 in Jan College and Ali College.
Okay, so right now you are in 8th standard. Right now you are in the 8th standard, right?
Yes.
Okay, so may I know what your future plan is? What do you want to be in life?
I want to after 12.
Yeah, what do you want to be in your life?
I want to pass IIT.
You know, IIT JEE you want to be. It means that you want to be an engineer,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So may I know the full form of IIT?
IIT.
Yeah, what is the full form of IIT? So, tell me what your hobbies.
Hobbies. I want to. My hobbies only like
Like cricket. Good. So, are you interested in English speaking?
yes.
Okay, can you speak English? Cutting करके बनाओ दोबारा ना. You can speak English, right?
Yes.
So, can you tell me the importance of English? What is the importance of English?
When we are born in other countries, English is very better. And English speak other countries.
Okay. So very good. From what do you think so that from where you have learned English in your school? Teacher speak English or not?
Yes. My English teacher is speaking English, and they are teach us English, and he is speaking English only for Hindi teacher and Hindi teacher
Okay.
that are speaking Hindi and that it is teach us
Okay, no problem.
subjects.
So can you tell me that your father can speak English?
Yes.
Your father can? Give me complete answer. Yes, my father can speak English like
Yes.
this. Okay. How many brothers and sisters you have?
I have two brothers. I and it.
I am your younger brother.
Yes.
And how many sisters you have?
I have a sister.
You have one sister.
Yes.
Okay. Tell me about your father. What he is?
He is very simple. And
Is he government job? Is he doing
Yes.
government job?
yes,
So
he has a government job.
may I
It
know
is-
in this sector he is doing job?
It is teach.
No, he is teacher.
Yes. He is
Okay,
teach.
he is teacher.
Yes.
Great. So if you get the English atmosphere in your family.
Yes.
Your father talk to you in English.
Yes. And my sister talks English. I want to better when we in my surrounding speaking English.
Okay.
Some people is.
That's good. I think you get atmosphere of English
Yes.
speaking. So nice. Can you tell me what is the use of mobile in our life?
Mobile is very some places mobile is very better and some that are not better.
Okay. Do you know what the online classes?
Yes.
Online classes is better or yeah, offline classes is better?
Offline classes are better because mobile is
With the help of mobile, you can take online classes.
Yes.
We don't need to go anywhere else. Now we are in the modern era, so we don't need to. Yeah.
but mobile give us a light it is harmful from our eyes.
It is very harmful for our eyes. You want to say this thing?
Yes.
Okay, but you know that online shopping,
Online shopping it is very better.
it is very good.
Yes.
Okay, you are in the favor of online shopping.
Yes.
Why you are in favor of online shopping?
Because we are not bought anything and not search anywhere.
We don't need to go anywhere. You want to say, but we cannot get the quality of product. Sometimes we just see the product and we order the product, but offline we can go in the market and we can check the product quality, right?
But some things are not available to.
Something is not available.
Yes.
Okay, it means that according to you, online shopping is better than offline. Okay, so very nice. Can you tell me what your strength? What is your strength? Strength means tell me something specific quality that you have.
I have
Yeah, tell me good qualities.
I want to walk